One day, Pırpır sees a cute white bird passing by his door. The white bird is alone, flying sadly. Pırpır approaches and introduces himself. Pırpır, hello, I'm Pırpır. Why are you so sad, bird? I'm Pamuk. I lost my mom and dad. It's the first time I've flown far from home, and I've lost my way. Pırpır, it's getting late now. Stay with me tonight. We can look for your family together tomorrow. Pamuk was very happy. Meeting Pırpır had eased his fear, and the thought of not having to search for his family alone excited him. Pırpır was concerned for his guest, Pamuk. He wanted to help him and make him happy. When morning came, Pırpır prepared the table before waking Pamuk. However, cheerful sounds from outside caught his attention. Pırpır looked out the window and saw the birds inflating balloons, with Mavis among them. Pırpır eagerly asked, Mavis, why are you inflating these balloons? Mavis responded with a smile, the little birds couldn't inflate the balloons on their own, so I helped them. The birds want to organize a balloon party. You can join if you want. Pırpır smiled with joy, but then his expression turned serious. That sounds wonderful, but my guest Pamuk is very sad. We can't attend this party. I need to find his family first. Mavis thought for a moment and then made a suggestion. Well then, let's talk to the other birds to find Pamuk's family. Maybe they can help. Let's talk to Pamuk before we start searching. Which direction did he come from? They made a plan to find Pamuk's family, and Pamuk was also included in the plan. Firstly, Mavis claimed to be an expert in reading maps. Mavis presented a large map to Pırpır and Pamuk, showing various routes. The map included forests, lakes, and mountains. Pırpır expressed gratitude, saying, Mavis, we couldn't read the map correctly without your help. Thank you, Mavis replied. You're welcome. Now it's time to find the right path based on the map's markings. Pırpır suggested, Mavis, take your map, and let's go to my friend Leylek. You know they travel a lot. We might find Pamuk's family quickly. Mavis responded positively to Pırpır's suggestion and immediately took the map, setting out towards Leylek with Pırpır and Pamuk. Pırpır, Mavis, and Pamuk found Leylek in the flower valley.